So Varava is the inspiration, but I don't have exactly enough ingredients for a Varava, so it's going to be like a dried chili chicken. The ingredients: chicken that's been marinated with curry powder, some ginger garlic paste and salt, curry powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, cinnamon and star anise, ginger garlic paste, sliced onions, chopped up coriander. Oil's getting hot. We're putting in the star anise and the cinnamon stick. I don't even have curry leaf with me at this point in time, but you know what, it's alright. You don't always have everything to cook something, but you can always cook something nonetheless. If you have cloves, this is a good time to add your cloves in. I'm going to add in now the onions. You can use onions, you can use shallots, and what you want to get is the onions that's really nice and golden brown. Because mom used to say, if your onions are not fragrant, your dish is not going to be fragrant as well. You want to keep the heat at a slight medium lowish heat. If you have it on a high heat, then what's going to happen is the outside of the onions are going to get burnt and the insides are not really caramelized yet. So you want a nice caramelized smell and taste from the onions. Alright, when you see that your onions are nice and golden, this is the time I want to add in the ginger and garlic paste. How you normally make ginger garlic paste is super simple. 1 part garlic to half part ginger, or 2 parts garlic to 1 part ginger, and then you blend it up. If you have a grater, you can grate them. If you use a blender, go ahead and blend them, and you can keep that in your fridge for any time you like. There we go, nice. As that is going to take some time, it will slowly allow the onions to continue to caramelize. Alright, we're almost there, and I'm going to be adding in the other powdered spices. So here we've got the darker one is chili powder, the orange is curry powder, and the yellow is turmeric. Go ahead and add all of that in. And once you do, give it a quick stir. The paste will burn very quickly, so don't take too long. Chicken. Here we've got the chicken going. Now I'm going to add in the dried chilies. When you add in the spices earlier, you want to give it a quick stir. It's not going to take any longer than 15 seconds because the oil is hot and the spices are dry, so they burn really quickly. Just to have it a bit more forgiving, some people add water or oil to the spice and mix it up into a paste so that it doesn't burn so quickly. You can do that if you like. I usually don't because I'm sort of, I want it quick, you know. Quick, let's go. Adding in a little bit of water. Not too much, it's not a curry. Just enough so that the chicken can steam through. The liquid will sort of evaporate and you'll be left with this nice, wonderful, aromatic, tasty spice paste at the end. Now we're going to season. A little bit of salt, just a little bit of sugar, coriander. You can see how the gravy is now sort of thickened. It's exactly what we want, and just continue stirring and stirring until the chicken is cooked and the gravy is sort of this, it doesn't have gravy actually, it's just this beautiful tasty spice paste that's just sticking all around the chicken. And we're done. Verdict is chicken was amazing, the taste was fantastic, really hit the spot. You get it with rice, so good. The best part is you can cook this in a big batch, keep half of it away, and in future when you're hungry, you're by yourself, heat it up in the microwave and you're good to go. The longer you keep it, the more flavor that's going to be absorbed into the chicken. If you've enjoyed this recipe, I hope you share the recipe with those who think might need it. For those of you who are inspired by this, I hope you cook it at home. Stay safe, guys. Be safe. Enjoy eating. Enjoy your family. Take care of yourself. Love you.